I'm gonna go in with this Kiko Milano Arctic Holiday Strobing Face Serum. It also serves as a primer, and since my skin has been very dry, this will definitely help. And this is from their holiday collection, but it is so good. I love using this when my skin is extra dry. And it smells so good, guys, and it really highlights your face for that glowy look. And as you can see, my skin gets really red every time I touch it. I always have to say that because everything makes my skin red. It's so crazy because this does not break me out, but it has a strong like scent to it, but it smells so good and so clean. I love how it smells. And I'm going to bring it down to my neck and chest area. I'm going to take my Nars foundation today. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Stromboli. And I'm going to give it a nice shake first. I feel like when my hair is straight and I have no makeup on, I look like a child. To dot my foundation all over my face like I normally do. And I'm going to do about like 1.5 layers. So I'm going to blend this out with my sponge and then apply a little bit more where I need it. And I am also applying some of that foundation to my lid. I really like how this foundation smooths out the skin, but it's so weird because I have dry skin and I feel like throughout the day it makes me look very shiny and oily, and I can feel the foundation on my face, but it looks really nice. Whenever I use it, I try to set it with a powder because I feel like it lasts longer, and I normally don't set my foundation at all. But this one, I feel like it's very, I don't know, it's supposed to be like a nice, you know, feel to it, but I feel the foundation. I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. I'm almost running out of this. I need to go buy another one. I've been using it so much. Before, when I first bought it, I used to use other concealers, and now I just feel like I can't put it down. I feel like I've been using it up faster, but this is only my second tube in a while, so it does last, and I definitely feel like it's worth the money. I like that. I like how it looks when you bring it up. Right now it looks a little crazy, but once you have the rest of your makeup on, it looks good. And for setting my concealer, I'm going to take this RCMA No Color Powder, and I like to pour it in this little dish because it's literally like Parmesan cheese. So you need to pour it on something. And I didn't really highlight much like in the center like I normally do, but I am still going to put powder because it still brightens it up just a little bit. So for shadow, I'm going to take this Alamar Cosmetics shadow, and this one is so beautiful. It's called Reina Del Caribe, and it's the eyeshadow palette volume 1. It says, inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. It is cruelty free, which is amazing. I feel like the packaging is so amazing. It's beautiful for this time of the year. This palette just has gorgeous colors. I love how it has the neutral shades, the warm shades, but it still gives you a pop of colors. And this palette actually came in BoxyCharm's June box, I believe, or May. I'm not 100% sure which one, but it came in BoxyCharm. And it is a Latina owned company, and I really love that. It's such a cute palette. So I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Taxi, and it is a nice like burnt orange shade. I'm just blending that in to my crease with my Sigma E33 blending brush. Next, I'm going to take Tropico, which is like a red-orange color, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corners. And I'm sort of blending that red-orange color towards the center of my lid and actually placing that color onto the lid, but just blending it. The key to this look is just making sure everything is nice and blended because the colors are beautiful, kind of like a tropical smoothie. Next, I'm going to take the color La Costa, and with my finger I'm going to apply this to my lids. Guys, look at that. It's amazing. I don't remember the last time I used an eyeshadow palette that had this much pigmentation. And this is like a wearable, colorful makeup look. I could do something like super crazy with this palette, but I wanted to do something wearable, something that everyone can wear out, but with some color. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take this color called El Malecon. I don't know if I said that right. I hope I did. And it's like a nice green, very light, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corners. Ooh, guys, look at that color. Seriously, this is insane. I hope they come out with more shades and soon, because this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with this palette already. And this is my first time using it. It's actually my sister's. I kind of stole it from her because I was like so obsessed with how pigmented they were. Like, she was not playing. She was like, girl, these are pigmented. And I was like, let me borrow it so I could do a video on it because it looks amazing. So now I'm going to take the color Celia, which is like a teal color, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line for a pop of. So with an angled brush, I just applied that color to my lower lash line, and I'm just blending it. Now that I got that color on my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Varadero, and oh, so you can use these wet actually. That's so cool. I had no idea. It shows you like, well, I guess, I don't know. There's like a little water drop. I don't know what that means. But I just applied that blue to the outer corner, so it goes from blue to teal to like that nice light green shade. Wow, I feel like I'm back to normal now. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. gel liner with this angled brush. I'm going to do like a small wing. Nothing too dramatic. I just want like a very small wing. Something like this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna apply my lash glue to my lashes so they can be ready when I finish my other wing. And I am taking these lashes that I mentioned in my last video. They're so beautiful. They look like lily lashes, but they were like $11 on Amazon. So I'm gonna let them dry, and I'm just gonna go over the lash band with more gel. For my waterline, I'm taking this eyeliner by Urban Decay in Heartless, and it's just like a nice pearl color. Just to add some color and balance everything out. So I don't only have color on my eyes, but I have some on my face. For lip liner, I'm taking MAC Stripdown. And I'm going to line my lips and fill them in with this. It's like a nice brown nudish shade. For a gloss, I'm taking Marc Jacobs Sugar, and it's just. Last but not least, my highlight, which is by Becca Cosmetics in Opal, and I can't find my favorite highlight brush, so I'm using this random brush. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It looks amazing, and I really like the colors. The palette is amazing. You guys need to get your hands on that palette. Trust me, it's so pigmented. I'm just shook. I'm shook right now. I just can't stop looking at myself because it looks really good, and the colors really do pop. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are following me, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, a thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up. helps so much. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.